Hi everybody! The construction industry is growing with the rapidly developing technology. Traditional methods are being replaced by new techniques and technologies. This has made construction projects faster, safer, and more efficient. In this video, we talk about modern techniques and technologies used in construction. Some of them you may be seeing for the first time. We will definitely see more exciting developments in the future. In this project carried out at the school, a fully functional external staircase made of earth is being built. For this, an ultra-thin mold, such as a 3D printed clay structure, is first designed. The stairs are then cast using a special soil-based concrete. The project focuses on sustainable construction practices by utilizing earth-based materials and reducing waste. 3D printing can significantly reduce construction time. This makes it a valuable tool for efficient construction processes. Thermobricks with carbon-reinforced styrofoam have excellent heat storage properties. Thanks to these features, it protects your building from sweltering heat by storing sunlight in summer. In addition, during the winter months, it saves heat by giving the heat it stores during the day to the room in the evening. These molds, made of high-strength fabric, are used to build reinforced concrete columns. They have high durability. This ensures the long-term performance and safety of the columns. They are quick to install and there is no waste because you cut your columns to exact length. They save hundreds of dollars in labor costs on the construction site. This material, which can harden very quickly, is an aromatic, flexible, two-component, 100% pure polyurea coating system. The system is designed as a waterproofing and floor protective coating for concrete, metal, wood, ceramic, geotextile, and PU foam substrates. This method is a great option to personalize your own garden or living space. With these printed concrete molds, you will see it is possible to create the desired patterns on the wall. It is a practical and economical solution. Thanks to these molds, a more decorative and natural look can be achieved instead of flat surfaces. BAMTech is an innovative system that makes rebar connection operations fast and safe. BAMTech rebars are extremely fast to install and leave almost zero waste. It offers many advantages over traditional construction iron fastening methods. This system combines the functionality of clay tiles with modern photovoltaic technology. It also preserves the appearance of the clay tiles almost unchanged. Photovoltaic is a method of obtaining electricity from the sun by means of solar cells or solar panels. All in all, this system is a useful product with outstanding features. Seismic expansion joints are specifically designed to withstand the rigors of seismic activity. This makes them ideal for structures such as stadiums. They come in different sizes and configurations to meet the specific needs of the stadium. They prevent cracks and damage due to expansion and contraction. They are resistant to heavy traffic, weather conditions, and other environmental factors. Hydrotex fabric concrete mattresses provide a permanent erosion control solution. These mattresses are placed in areas exposed to erosion and used to pour concrete. In this method, the concrete is poured into a specially designed geotextile fabric and shaped into the desired shape. When the concrete dries, it forms a tough and flexible armor that is resistant to erosion. It can be used in a variety of environments such as bridges, rivers, canals, ports, and dams. It has a flexible structure that can adapt to natural grounds. It provides a faster and easier application than traditional concrete casting methods. It is long-lasting and resistant to abrasion. It allows for more efficient use of natural resources. This system is geosynthetic aggregate pipes designed to be used in drainage applications. These systems play an important role in protecting buildings from water damage. Ideal for managing surface water and protecting property from water damage. It eliminates the problems caused by gravel. The system is produced in parts that can be easily connected to each other. Easy to transport and install by a single worker, reducing labor costs. Brick-a-wood is an innovative wooden assembly system that can be assembled without using nails, screws, or glue. Brick-a-wood makes wooden house construction easy. This system consists of wooden blocks designed with a Lego-like logic. No nails or screws are used. Brick-a-wood blocks consist of specially designed wooden elements of different sizes and shapes. These elements are manufactured in a way that they have the feature of interlocking. The inside of the walls is filled with wood shavings for thermal insulation. In this way, energy efficiency is increased. Brick-a-wood offers kits for studios, homes, and gardens. It is possible to build a house in a much shorter time compared to traditional wooden house construction. SmartOp Polymeric mortar is a ready-to-use paste-like mortar. Polymeric mortars show higher performance compared to cement-based mortars. In other words, it contains polymers that increase its flexibility, adhesion strength, and water resistance compared to traditional mortar. Polymeric mortar is pre-mixed, eliminating the need for on-site mixing. Potentially reduces labor costs.